our recent Disney Dream sailing, we got on the ship and immediately knew our first order of business was to go right to the kids club. Can you believe just a few minutes before this, our kids didn't even know we were getting on a cruise? Step on the ship! You're here! Hey travelers, it's Laura again on the Disney Dream. We headed straight to the elevators and went up to Deck 5 to register the kids. Disney's incredible kids programming is part of what makes a Disney cruise such a perfect vacation for both our kiddos and for us grown-ups. I think it's indisputably the best kids cruise, hands down. Registration at the club is easy, but it does take a few minutes, so we opted to get it out of the way. Once registered, the kids each get a complimentary magic band with an extra clip that locks it in place for the whole cruise, so you hopefully don't lose it. You can swim and shower in it, and the kids tap the band on a touch point when checking in and out of the club. If they do somehow lose it though, you will see a charge for that to your stateroom. The kids couldn't wait to get inside and explore, starting with the Oceaneers Club side and this wild, touch-sensitive dance floor. Grown-ups were allowed in because the club was having an open house. Usually it's only kids and crew. On this side of the kids area, it's really fantastical with different themes and stations and incredible decor. Our first stop, the Millennium Falcon. Whoa. You gonna go do the ride? Oh, hi R2. How you doing, R2? Whoa, guys. Woo! We're floating. Are you guys gonna jump to light speed? How fast can you make the castle run?
We should also show Nora her back.
Aw, I see Baymax over there. Okay. Ah, there's a Wookiee. There's Baymax in the xfinity room. Nora, this is Tinkerbell's Grotto.
Whoa.
Whoa. Axon said whoa.
We're going?
So cool.
Get to indoor.
Are you flying to indoor? Woo! Whoa, man. Super cool. Ah, there's a Wookiee on you. On your windshield. Nice. You ready to make some art? Tinkerbell.
Accent. Can I show you Woody's room? Or Andy's room?
Andy's room. Let's see the toys. Ready? So in here is usually all the iPads and the Xfinity games. And all the tech for kids who want to play video games. Not right now, but pretty cool. How cute these guys are! Guys, when I got dressed today, I didn't think about how this outfit, it's gonna make me look like a crew member. And then over here, yeah, Axon. It's Woody and Buzz in Andy's room. What do you think?
Pig.
There's a pig. You wanna go see the pig? Go see the pig. It's Ham. Hi, Ham. He doesn't have his coins right now. They'll get them out later. Everything's all cleaned up. Making friends already. Ready? Drive it. Oh, yeah. Then Nick took our littlest to get registered at the It's a Small World Nursery. Since he is under 3 and not potty trained, he'll go to the nursery. Note, they currently require nursery reservations and charge a small fee, so we use it a bit less than Oceaneers Club for the big kids. Sorry we didn't get any video inside the nursery. What is it?
Tinkerbell.
She's lovely. This touch-sensitive rainbow dance floor is the site of many games, dance parties, and character meet and greets. They often have characters show up and do themed get-togethers during regular Oceaneers Club hours. Back here, I think they do some activities now, but they used to actually serve dinner back here sometimes for the kids. They're not doing meals right now. They haven't been since the shutdown. Back here by more hand washing stations. These are the coolest space hand washing stations. You just stick your hands in and they swirl around and sanitize them. And the kids' restrooms that are right here and accessible while they're in the Oceaneers Club. But if you go through here, all the way to the other side is the lab. It is unbelievable how much space DCL has dedicated to the kids programming. While Oceaneers Club has all of the Star Wars, Toy Story, and Tinkerbell themed areas, the Oceaneers Lab has its own story of seafaring adventures, and it has areas for young artists and creators of all kinds, with craft supplies available to let their creative juices flow. My kids are really into the craft studio, already drawing. And here they have crafts for all the different days of this trip, and all kinds of activities. And there's something about the color-coded rainbow construction paper that I find really satisfying. Welcome on board! I love all the nautical details in this area. Like, look at this stuff. I think that screams, oh! It definitely talks. That's hilarious. Didn't see that coming. But there's like all these details. There's gonna be a story with that dude. Yeah. Hello. This area also has a bunch of these touchscreen tables with digital coloring pages and 1- and 2-person games. I think these are more likely to encourage interaction between the kids than games on an iPad or console. My kids always make friends while in the club. There are also numerous big screens around the spaces where kids can just relax and watch a Disney movie if all of the activity is overwhelming. This is often where I find my kids at the end of a long night, lounging around and winding down with a movie. Another note, when we came back after dinner to drop the kids off for the first time, the line to check in was super long because a lot of the parents hadn't registered their kids yet and were having to fill out all the forms. It was kind of annoying that those of us who came to the open house to register in advance weren't able to send our kids right in. Expect some lines that first night. Glad we came first thing because there's been a bit of a crowd at the doors since. So go check your kids in right when you get on board. When I was a kid, I could only have dreamed of a kids club as incredible as this. If you've been on a Disney cruise, what was your kids' favorite part of the top-notch kids programming? I am so thankful for each and every one of you being here with me today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Disney cruise content. See you next time, travelers!